What's up guys, Shane Stars here, and if you just picked up the Galaxy Fold 3, you're going to want to make sure that you protect the front, back, hinge, and even the inner display with a screen protector. One of my favorite screen protectors is the Elixir film screen protector. I'm going to show you guys how to install that on the Fold 3. Let's go ahead and get started. So one thing that we do need to talk about before we get started with this, the Fold 3 does come with a pre-installed screen protector. You can kind of see it right here. I really don't recommend replacing the screen protector that's already there. So this is a factory installed screen protector. It would actually void your warranty if you remove that screen protector. So that being said, you would only use the Elixir screen protector if you have already damaged this one. So of course you can remove this without voiding your warranty. The Elixir screen protector comes with the front, back, hinge, and the inner display screen protectors. You won't void your warranty for replacing this, and of course all you can do is help with scratch resistance by applying a screen protector to the hinge and the back. But if you decide to replace the inner display screen protector, you're kind of on your own there, and I wouldn't recommend it unless you've already damaged that screen protector. So in the pouch, you're going to find the inner screen protector, you've got the back screen protector, the hinge screen protector, and the front screen protector. You've also got a couple of wet wipes, you've got your dust stickers, and also your application card. The first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that the phone is powered off. That way it's not distracting you. Okay, so for the moment that we have all been waiting for, we're gonna go ahead and apply a screen protector to the inner display. And same process, of course. We're gonna wipe it down and get all the grease and grime off of here. And we will follow that up with our cloth. And finally, we're gonna hit it with the dust remover. All right, so we'll go ahead and lay the screen protector on top of the screen. Just try to line it up the very best that you can. All right, and we'll go with the top half first. So we're just gonna we'll kind of push this forward. All right, so I guess that's the best way to do it there. Just kind of push it forward while holding the screen in the back. All right, push it all the way to the edges there. All right, and push as many of those bubbles out as you can. All right, so now we're gonna work on this side. So kind of peel it back and do the same thing. Just kind of work it all the way to the edge. All right. And then you'll do the same thing, just knock all those bubbles out of there the best you can. Now any bubbles that are left, they'll continue to work their way out over the next 24 hours. All right, when you've got the bubbles worked out, you can just remove the top screen and you are good to go. Of course, touch sensitivity is just as good as it was before. It's like there's not a screen protector on here at all. I can't really notice the difference of having the screen protector on there. It is just as bright as it was before. I'm not losing any light. I don't have any rainbow effect with this. This feels like the standard screen protector that came with the phone. So if you're looking to replace the stock screen protector, this is a great option, and it is super affordable compared to sending it into Samsung and having them to do it professionally. However, of course, if you want to maintain your warranty, you would need to send it into Samsung. But if you're past your warranty, or that's not important to you, or if you're just looking for a more affordable option, this is definitely a great option. Also, because these are just film screen protectors, they work with all of the cases. So any case that you can get for this phone, these screen protectors are going to work. So we have a couple of really cool cases from Elixir. I'm gonna go ahead and try those out with the screen protectors. This is the Elixir green genuine leather case, and I think it looks really sharp. We'll go ahead and apply it. So we just kind of slide this in place, click it in. I like how it just kind of snaps into place. It's not going to fall off. And it really looks sharp. I love the fact that it gives a raised edge to the screen. That's going to keep it from getting scratched and from damaging that screen. This is also, of course, going to give it some drop protection. With the Victus glass on the back and the front, this is going to help to protect the back and the front from cracking. Of course, it opens with no issues whatsoever. Next up, we do have the Elixir carbon fiber case. We'll go ahead and do the same. It slides on exactly the same. So we'll just slide it in place and snap it in. All right, and there is the carbon fiber case, which is not going to give your screen protectors any issues. Lastly, we have the Samsung official genuine leather case. It does come with this nifty little stand, and for this one, we are just going to slide it into place and snap it in, and then we are good to go. So this has just kind of like a cover that covers the front. It has a little magnet to turn the screen off and on. Really like that. I think this one looks really sharp. This may be my favorite. I love this little bronze metal clip. And then it does have a stand on the back. Okay, so you're supposed to be able to stand this, and maybe this goes here. Let's see. Stand it up, and that catches it like that. Okay, now I see. So there's your stand. If you like the video, of course, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content on the Galaxy Fold 3 and other Samsung devices. Also, if you don't already have the Galaxy Fold 3, I'll be sure to include a link in the description of where you can get a 5% discount on this phone. Just use that link and the code. And of course, I'll leave a link in the description of where you can pick up the Elixir cases and also the Samsung cases from Mobile Fun. Big shout outs to them for sending everything out for this video. All right, that about wraps it up. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed, and I will see you in the next one.